just because it's in fashion, just because it's trending, doesn't mean it will fit you or suit you. Going absolutely almost naked in terms of dressing up, I don't know. Oh my god, I got looted actually. I saw an ad on Instagram.
What was the last three Google searches that you have done today?
Oh God. We are hunting houses. So the last search was the kind of address which I googled on the Google search apparently, and then second was the milk because मम्मा को चाय भी नहीं थी, घर पे मिल्क नहीं आता. तीसरा तीसरा गूगल सर्च था मेरी हेल्थ को लेकर के बिकॉज आई फेल सिक फ्यू डेज बैक and I'm still feeling little less energetic. So I was just trying to understand what foods to eat to feel like
आई
more
लव
energy.
दी फैक्ट आपने फोन देखा भी नहीं, आपने बता दिया कि लास्ट थ्री गूगल सर्चेस क्या थे, इनको याद था.
हाँ मुझे याद था.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. लास्ट पर्सन यू सेंट अ टेक्स्ट ऑन व्हाट्सएप टुडे?
My father. So again, we went for a house search, and I sent him the video that we made there. So I sent him that, and he didn't like it.
The last thing you bought online?
The last thing, oh my god, I got looted actually. I saw an ad on Instagram, and I bought something from there for like about 10-15,000 rupees, and I paid prepaid. I did, and then the stuff that was looking was worth that much price, and the stuff that came was rupees what was for 100 rupees. They sent me a bling bag of 20 rupees or something.
Shit.
So I got looted. I have filed a complaint.
Oh shit. Okay. Who do you DM the most on Instagram? If you can reveal that.
I think Drake.
One photo that you haven't shared on social media yet, or the last photo on your gallery today?
On the last, so the earlier interview that I had in a black suit is the last photo that I haven't shared anywhere as of yet. And I'm telling you what, there are about 15,283 photographs that are unseen from unseen shoots that are not gone out because I'm lazy to edit and post them.
What kind of YouTube videos do you watch? Any channel, if it's
Yes, so I watch Impact Theory by Tom Bilyeu. I watch Mel Robbins, and when I was new to Bombay, there's this guy हिंदी में बात करता है, वो किताबों का ना सार बताता है in 5-6 minutes. उसका चैनल का नाम था Seeken, SEEKEN. तो ये 3 चैनल्स थे जहाँ से मैं सारी दुनिया भर का ज्ञान गैदर करती रहती हूँ. And the other speaker and writer, author that I follow is Robert Greene.
the most common question or comment that comes on your DMs?
You don't want to know. You don't want to know.
Okay. What kind of reels do you watch on Instagram?
Cats, dogs, small baby cats and kittens, like basically animal reels. So my brother has one job. I had asked him to give me a pet, so to compensate that, he keeps sending me dogs, cats, animal reels day in and day out. So we do that. We
Do
exchange
you
reels
have
like
a
that.
fake Instagram?
No, I don't have a fake Instagram. I have two real accounts basically. Even the other one has about 288K followers, which is a travel account.
One fashion trend you feel that should not come back?
Uh, Going absolutely almost naked in terms of dressing up. I don't know. एक तो maybe I could be jealous because I can't wear such clothes because I don't have a body to wear such clothes. Whatever I wear already looks extreme. So I think extreme less clothing uh, on the as a top is something I'm not a very big fan of. I think it's just not nice. It should not come back.
What are some timeless fashion pieces every wardrobe should have?
Yeah, people may call me old school, but from the very beginning of my life, as soon as I understood the concept of Western wear, I have always seen myself. Like you see, the higher self, when I used to see myself as, was a lady in a bodycon outfit or women in power suits with bold colors. These two things are more of my kind of, they're like wild and powerful, like be a pantheress, that kind of things I like.
Absolutely. What are some common fashion mistakes people make and how can they be avoided?
uh, People follow trend blindly. So if you see someone wearing baggy jeans, they start to copy and wear them. Like however short you are, you have to see what suits your body type. just because it's in fashion, just because it's trending, doesn't mean it will fit you or suit you. I think you should not get influenced by the surrounding, but stick to what you think would feel good on you.
Correct, absolutely.